My dear friends, you know that it is really possible to multiply at tremendous speed by just following these methods given here. This is extremely useful for the students who are in the school as well as for those who are the job seekers. Extremely essential for school children and those who are going to sit for competitive exams like WBCS, State Civil Services, UPSC, SSC, Rail, IBPS, Bank PO, CAT, etc. It is really possible to multiply with tremendous speed. You want to know the methods? So just follow these simple steps. Let's start. Here friends, if we want to multiply 86 into 87, now we have to think this benchmark as 100. First thing we have to do is subtract 100 minus 86. If you subtract 86, you will get 14. If you subtract 87, you will get 13. Now what to do? Now just multiply 14 into 13. Now 14 into 13 is equal to 182. Now you have to cross subtract these things. Now 87 minus 14 is equal to 73, or 86 minus 13 is equal to 73. So just put 73. Both of them will come the same. Now just you have to do one thing. Put this number over here. Add this 1 to this 3. So it becomes 7482. Answer is 7482. If you don't believe, just multiply it and see. It really works, my dear, really works. Another one. Similarly, if you want to multiply 84 into 85, again doing the same thing. 100 minus 84 is equal to 16, and 100 minus 85 is equal to 15. What we have to do? Multiply 16 into 15. It is 240. And now cross subtract. Either you do this or you do this. Don't have to do this twice. So 84 minus 15 is equal to 69. Now what to do? Just add this in this way. Add only this two, okay? Only this two. Don't add this full. So you just have to put this as it is. 9 plus 2 is 11. 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is 7140. Believe it or not, it is this. The answer is this. Similarly, if you want to multiply 88 into 86, again doing the same trick. This is 12. This is 100 minus 86, 14. Multiply 12 into 14. This is 168. Cross subtract. 88 minus 14 is equal to 74. Now add this up. 4 plus 1, 5. 7, 5, 8, 6. 7, 5, 6, 8. Sorry. Again another 89 into 88. This is 100 minus 89 is 11. 100 minus 88 is 12. Multiply 11 into 12. This is 132. This is 88 minus 11 is equal to 77. Add this up. So 7832 is the answer. Right? Proceed on to the next part of this. We will come with 50s. Now suppose we are multiplying 57 into 55. Now here we have to take the benchmark as 50. So what to do over here? If we take benchmark as 50, here we write 55, here we write 57. 50 plus 5 is 55. 50 plus 7 is 57. So doing just multiplication, 5 sevens are 35. And again addition, cross addition. Either you do this way or this way. So 57 plus 5 is equal to 62. Now here we have to do something else. In case of 80s we had done something else. Now here what we have to do? Divide 62 by 2. What does it come to? 31. So the number is not 6235, but it is 3135. This is the answer. So like this, another one, 52 into 54. Similarly, 52 is 2 plus, 54 is 4 plus. Now 2 fours are 8. 8 is a single digit, so we write over here double digit, 08. Now cross addition, either you add 52 with 4 or you add 54 with 2, so it comes to 56. Now divide 56 by 2, it comes to 28. So 2808 is the answer. It is very simple, my dear friends, very simple. Just practice it and you will come to know. Now we come to something else. You might be thinking that we are getting even numbers, we are just dividing it by 2 and getting the answer. It's not the thing. Another one is if we get an odd digit, odd number. If it is 54 into 55. This is plus 4, this is plus 5. So here what happens? 5 4s are 20. And now 54 plus 5 is 59. Now if we divide 59 by 2, it will not divide completely. So what do you do? Just come to the nearby. Means if you divide 59 by 2, we get a whole number of 29. 29 twos are 58. Come up to 58. Since 58 is just 1 less than 59, we can come up to 58. So what are we going to do? We write this 29 over here, and here what you have to write? This is 20. We should not add 20 over here. What you have to do? 20 plus 50. That is 70. So it comes to 2970. This is the answer. In case it is odd number, we have to do it like this. So let's do another odd number like this. If we are multiplying 53 into 58. This is plus 3. This is plus 8. So here 8 3s are 24, and here 53 plus 8 is equal to 61. Divide 61 by 2. What does it come to? It comes to 30. 32s are 60. So we write 30 over here, and here again we have to add 50. 50 plus 24 is equal to 74. So the answer is 74. Just match it. Just multiply and see. Check it out for yourself. Don't just leave it. Just check it out for yourself. So these are the shortcuts that I have taught you. So all the best for you, and please subscribe my channel and share this video to as many people as possible. Thank you so much and best of luck.